Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to link PayPal to Gcash. Linking PayPal account to Gcash is fairly simple process as long as both accounts are verified and ready to use. First, open your Gcash app and head to the profile section at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on My Linked Accounts where you'll see a list of supported services. Look for PayPal and tap it, then press the Link Account button to start the connection process. You'll be redirected to secure a login page for PayPal where you will need to sign in and approve access between the two services. Once you confirm it, the system will automatically sync both accounts and complete the linking process. After a few seconds or a short refresh, PayPal should appear successfully connected inside Gcash. If it doesn't show right away, simply restart the app or log out and back in. From there, you're basically ready to transfer funds between PayPal and Gcash, assuming your account is fully verified and in good standing, which helps avoid annoying security hiccups later on, especially during first time linking or international transfers and occasional verification prompts from either platform. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.